Wofford. I grew up with Carbondale and Opportunity Heights. I met Jeannie. She was telling me about the project. And I just like to see things change and get better on this side of town because this is where I grew up at. And that's why we come over here to help.
You guys are doing this demolition for amazing agreement here. Trying to help us out and we're non-profit, so you're helping us out by doing the demolition. And it's a great thing that you're doing. We're going to eventually make a Route 66 Visitor Center and History Center so we can talk about some of the history of this area of the city. So we're tearing things down to make them good. Wow. I just sent Jeannie a little video clip. How did the thing do over on 61st? Were you able to get...
I haven't found it.
Oh, okay.